Welcome back to our accounts class, students. Now we are again discussing about how to prepare final accounts. You have been given a trial balance. You see a trial balance is given here. Already we have discussed how to prepare trial balance. Actually, the ledger account balances are required to prepare trial balance. In trial balance, we can see the ledger account balances. There are debit balances, there are credit balances. From a trial balance, you have to prepare final account, that means trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet. The first step is you have to identify real account, nominal account, and personal account. From the trial balance given, you have to identify at first real account, nominal account, and personal account. At first, identify real account and personal account. Goodwill real account, machinery real account, you write R. Bill real account, furniture real account, software real account, debtors personal account, drawings personal account. At first, identify real and personal account. In the credit side, you see bill real account, creditors personal account, loan personal account, capital personal account. Clear? We have identified real and personal account. Next stage, you identify nominal accounts. Salaries, wages, bad debt, fuel, carriage, both carriage in or outward, stationery, rent tax, purchase, stock, interest, sales, return, discount, commission. You see, with a blue pen, I have marked the nominal account N, and with purple, we have marked real and personal account. Clear? Next stage, how to prepare trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet. In balance sheet, real and personal account will go to the balance sheet. Real and personal account will go to the balance sheet. In balance sheet, we know the right hand side is asset side, left hand side is liability side. Here, debit balances of the real and personal account will go to the asset side. Credit balances of real and personal account will go to the liability side. Okay. We have to prepare trading and profit and loss account. As real and personal accounts, they go to balance sheet or they are recorded in balance sheet. The nominal account balances will be recorded in either in trading account or in profit and loss account. You have to identify which nominal account will go to the trading account. In trading account, actually entries, items related to goods, purchase, sales, stock, return, they will go to trading account. Next, purchase expense, they will go to the trading account. And manufacturing or factory expense, they will go to the trading account. Clear? And other nominal accounts will go to the profit and loss account. You can take a screenshot of this note, how to prepare final account step 1, step 2. Okay, we have discussed details, the rules of preparing final account. Take a screenshot and read it carefully. Mark the nominal accounts which will go to the trading account. Wages is given in factory. Power fuel used for factory. Carriage inward, this purchase expense. Stock related to goods. On the other hand, sales related to goods. Return related to goods. I have told you purchase sales stock return, they will go to trading account. Purchase expense will go to the trading account, and factory expense or manufacturing expense will go to the trading account. Okay, and other nominal account balances will go to the profit and loss account. Clear? Such as office expenses, selling expenses, distribution expenses, finance cost, depreciation, they will go to the profit and loss account. Before preparing final account, you should see the steps I have given you earlier. Read it carefully. The rules are given there. Clear? Next stage. Now we are preparing final account from the trial balance. From the trial balance, real account balances and personal account balances will go to final balance sheet, that are real, R and P. You have marked with R and P, real and personal. Debit balance will go to the asset side and credit balance will go to the liability side. See the balance sheet. From the trial balances, real and personal account on the debit side, we have recorded in the asset side. And from the trial balance, real and personal account from the credit or credit balances, they are recorded in the liability side. You see, assets, debit balances of real and personal accounts from trial balance will go to the asset side, and credit balances of real and personal account will go to the liability side. Clear? From the trial balance, we have marked the T, the nominal accounts which are marked with T, we are recording in the trading account. Debit balances will go to the debit side and credit balances will go to the credit side. Clear? The nominal accounts which are not marked with T or rest of the nominal accounts, they are being recorded in profit and loss account. Debit balance from the trial balance recorded in the debit side, credit balance from the trial balance recorded in the credit side. Rules of recording nominal accounts in trading and profit and loss account we have discussed earlier, and I have also given you a copy of rules. You take a screenshot and read it carefully. Again, I am giving you the rules. You take a screenshot. After recording the heads from the trial balance to the trading PL and balance sheet, your next stage is balance the trading account. Clear? Trading account balance, this is transferred to profit and loss account. You see gross profit is transferred to profit and loss account. After transferring gross profit from trading account, then you balance profit and loss account. You see the balance amount is 37,000 net profit. This balance will be transferred to balance sheet. Profit and loss transfer into balance sheet. Clear? In this way you can prepare final account. Okay, thank you. Any problem, you can ask me anytime. I am ready to help you. Thanks.